Hi, welcome you all to the next session generating numbers. So far we had an object or collection of objects. We performed a logic on that, but in some case I have to generate numbers randomly, sequentially, or with some logic. For example, I hope you remember this program which we saw in the first video. It takes an integer and checks some condition for a range of numbers. Also, in traditional programming, most of the cases you might have seen for int I equal to 0, I is less than ni plus plus something. Such things all are rewrittenable in functional programming way. In your if your logic itself purely on numbers like this, then we can go ahead with in streams, long and double streams. There are a few things. So let's generate few numbers. There are two methods, range and range closed. This is end exclusive and this includes last number also, and it is not supporting much functions. Some average, count, some are there. What I'm saying, it is not actually an object, so that it doesn't it might be capable enough to doing so. Better we typecast to object. So now it will be supporting for all those things. um, Collect. Instead of collecting, let me print. I will collect later. Okay, so I should get four values because this is end exclusive. If I want five, I have to put the range closed. Yes, we got it. Okay, so now I wanted to have a 0 to 9 as a list. Let me name it as nums, that is numbers. So right now we have generated numbers. Now let me generate alphas. In stream, again range closed from A till Z. Now it is actually int. um, I wanted to convert that as a char first, then string, then I'll collect. So let's print out this nums and alphas. I should get 1 to 9 and A to Z. See, sometimes even resolving business conditions also very easy, but not example program like this. Say I have to generate some numbers. I was given with a task like cross product this A1, A2, A3 and B1, B2, B3 like that. So how can I actually do that? If you ask, yes, we can. Stream, and I hope still you remember this flat map. I have to actually give some stream here. So what kind of stream I can give? This is alpha, and I want to iterate numbers And what I have to do with that, I have to do just a manipulation. This is number alpha plus number. I have to do it. This is my manipulation to list, and the result itself another string cross product of the list 1 and 2. Let's see the generated numbers. Look, it's done till Z9. Okay, now let's try to understand this particular program. This is int stream and range closed. So from 2 onwards till number divided by 2, that numbers will be generated. I have to check a sequence one condition in all those numbers from 2, 3, 4, 5. Say for example 10, 10 divided by 2 is 5. So from 2 to 5 this condition will be checked. So 10 modulo 2, 10 modulo 3, kind of it goes. So if none of these uh, numbers like 2, 3, 4, whatever we are generating here, none of the numbers matches this particular condition, then it will return true. So then we can say it as a prime, otherwise not. So there are few conditions like all match, any, none. So these are like, it will check all those values, and if any of those number, I mean any of that range of values matches, then it gives true, kind of. So there are a few more options also available. Based on your requirement, you can choose whichever that predicates you wanted. Hope you understood that generating numbers, even we can convert that traditional for loop also as a streams like this. Thanks for watching.